guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a steamed lamb roast with some boiled rice. So let's begin. So to begin with, I have some cut up onions, and I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic. This is fresh garlic. So I'm going to add a handful of chopped baby tomatoes, some chopped coriander, so I'm going to be using a juice of half a lemon, I'm going to sprinkle some garlic granules, some paprika, I'm going to sprinkle some red chili flakes and a sprinkle of curry powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to now just mix this. I'm going to now add my lamb, which I'm using lamb chops. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix this up now. This is now nicely mixed in. I'm going to now add my half boiled rice. So I've only just half cooked this, so this will cook in the steam in the oven. So I'm just going to just cover up the meat. Now I'm just going to cover it up with tin foil. I'm going to put this in the oven for an hour and 10 minutes on a gas mark 8. This is now ready. I'm just going to plate this up.